how to change font style on Samsung Galaxy device. So if you do not like the default font style on your Samsung phone, now you want to change it, then these are the steps you need to take. Go ahead and open the settings app on your Samsung. Under settings, scroll down and click on display. Now scroll down, locate font styles and style and click on it. Once you click on that, you should see font style set to default. Click on it. Now go ahead and select your choice of font style you want to use on your Samsung phone from the options. You can also click on download font to download your choice of font from the Samsung Store app. So you can search for your fonts. In this case, I have my choice of font, and I can now go ahead and set this. I'm going to use the Samsung One font. If you want to increase the size, use this to increase the size. Like that. If you want to reduce it, use this to reduce it. So once you're done, just hit the back button. Then you should see your Samsung phone font changed. Like that. And this is going to affect your phone entirely, including the Samsung Note. So that's basically how to change font style and size on Samsung phone. If you found this open informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.